Hi guys, gals and non-binary pals, welcome back to Budget with Ira. My name is Ira and I'm on a debt-free journey. I'm on a debt-free journey because I'm a half-wit and I racked up over £13,000 worth of debt. On this channel, I share my debt payoff progress every single week so that me and my boyfriend can achieve our dream of owning our first home together. Why is it so warm? Ugh. If you would like to support me and this channel, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. I post debt and budget related content twice a week. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cash envelope. Now there's a load of videos online about how to make a cash envelope, but I do it slightly differently, but I'm also doing something a bit special. This is actually going to be for my boyfriend. So it's his birthday towards the end of July, and he's got a bit of an obsession at the moment of collecting mid-century modern furniture. I'm in front of one of his pieces here. If you've been following me for a long time, you've noticed that I've built up a sinking fund for birthdays and I've spent my amount and there's £100 now ready for him to spend. I'm sure that he would prefer just to have the money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cash envelope for him and I'm going to make a card around it, and potentially I might be selling this on Etsy as well. So if you'd like to know exactly how I make a cash envelope, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is how I make a cash envelope. It might be slightly different to how other people do it, but this is how I do it, and this is kind of what is working for me at the moment. I start off with what I've printed out for the cash envelope. So I'm actually making this top one here at the moment. So the first thing I do is I put it inside a laminating pouch is what they're called. And I'll actually cut it out from here because I need a specific size of laminating pouch. So I use a metal ruler and a scalpel because I don't have a very good guillotine. Okay, so this is what I was after. Just put them aside. This is the strip that will go over the envelope. So if you've seen my envelopes, they have a little strip with a message over. So this is the little strip. So I'm going to cut that one out for now. Okay, so what my next step to do is to laminate this as it is, but I need this little piece of pouch from the back. So I'm going to put that aside for now, and I'm going to grab my laminator. Okay, so I'm grabbing a new lamination sheet, and I'm going to put it in. I don't like to waste, so I'll do it for the other one as well. Sorry, I did take the top sheet off. Okay, and let's put this through. I'm just going to cut this, and I like to send everything through twice just to ensure a really good bond. Hi guys, girls and non-binary pals, thank you so much for getting to the end of the video.
Okay, we're not quite at the end of the video. I just wanted to make a quick announcement that I've just posted the first thing ever to my Etsy store, and I'm really excited about it. Essentially, it's exactly what I've made in this video today. I wanted to pop on just to say thank you so much for giving me the confidence to be able to post something on there. I'm not expecting any massive sales anytime soon, but I just wanted to let you know about it because I wouldn't have posted it if it wasn't for you guys.
Hi guys, girls and non-binary pals, thank you so much for getting to the end of the video. I genuinely appreciate it when you get all the way to the end cards. I can't tell you how much that means for the channel. I also appreciate every single like, comment and subscription, so if you haven't done all three, please make sure you do on this channel. This is the first video that I've done sort of like this where I've been showing you how I make something. Please let me know how you find it in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, but I don't really have anything else to say, so thanks so much for watching. Bye!